Hey crew, welcome to rainy Rome. I'm headed down to St. Peter's Basilica right now. Hoping I can go up to the top, but I'm kind of questioning whether I should even keep going there because it's raining really hard. But that's the plan today. Try to go up to the top and get a good view. I'm not sure what's gonna happen here. This is crazy. I've never seen Rome like this. There's no way I'm going up to St. Peter's Basilica and standing on the roof in a thunderstorm. So, I'm headed back to the hotel. Sometimes layovers don't work how you want. That's okay, that's just part of the adventure. I'll answer a question I get occasionally on how I find my layover stuff, and it's really simple. I will generally look up a hashtag on Instagram for the city I'm going to. So, for example, Rome. And then I might find a cool picture, and then I'll maybe search a different hashtag related to that picture, and then I'll go try to find it or recreate the same picture. And then whatever happens on the way to that, well, that's the adventure. Today, for example, I wanted to take a picture at the top of St. Peter's Basilica, but that didn't work out. So instead, I'm walking around in the rain. One example of this, I was in Rome a couple summers ago, and I found this Fiat Cinquecento, which is a Fiat 500, and I was able to, through a couple searches, I found the same car in a bunch of different pictures, and it was always on the same street. So I went and found that street, and sure enough, that car was on there, and I took this picture there. So that was really cool. So that's how I find my layover stuff. I'm headed back to the hotel. There's no way I'm staying out in this. This is disgusting. But it's Rome, so it's not bad. Alright, hit the subscribe button. See you guys.